Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Let me discuss the solutions of the fill-ups of the chapter quadrilaterals that are given in the previous video. So first question, a polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree is called as a concave polygon. You remember the concave polygon we discussed. So one angle is more than 180 degree and the diagonals always one of the diagonal remains outside the polygon. This is the identification of a concave polygon. Second one, a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. So you remember this quadrilateral, here each angle is less than 180 degree. That polygon you call it as a convex polygon. Next one, a polygon having all sides and all angles equal is called as a regular polygon. So you can understand the equilateral triangle where all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Similarly, you can have square, regular hexagon, regular pentagon where all angles and all sides are equal. If it is not equal, next question, polygons which are not regular. Not regular means all sides and not all angles are equal. You call them as irregular polygons. So this is a figure for irregular polygon. Next one, for a polygon of n sides, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon n. N stands for the number of sides. So if any figure is given, if you are asked to find the each exterior angle, the number of sides will be given, then you will use the formula 360 degree upon n. Question number 6. For a polygon of n sides, each interior angle is equal. So whenever interior angle is asked, you will be using the formula 180 degree minus each exterior angle. So what is each exterior angle? 360 degree upon n. So suppose if you consider a triangle, so the one is the interior angle, the other one is the exterior angle. Interior angle stands for I and the exterior angle stands for E. So what is I plus E? It is equal to 180 degree linear pair. So I can be written as 180 degree minus exterior angle. 180 degree minus, how can you write exterior angle? 360 upon n. Next one, sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Whatever may be the polygon, sum of all exterior angle will be equal to 360 degree. Number 7. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. That is 360 degree. Question number 7. Now question number 8. Sum of all interior angles of any polygon. So how do you find the interior angles of any polygon? So you can write it as n minus 2 into how many? 180 degree. 180 degree can be written as 2 right angles. Or you can also write 2n minus 4 right angles. Both are right. Next, question number 9. Number of diagonals in a polygon of n sides. The formula is n into n minus 3 upon 2. Question number 10. The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon having 10 sides. So, the answer will be, so what will be the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon having 10 sides? So first you have to find the total interior angle of 10 sides. It is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So this is nothing but 10 minus 2, that is 8 into 180 degree. But I need for 10 sides, so I can divide it by 10. So my answer will be 144 degree. Question number 11. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180 degree. N stands for number of sides. Question number 12. The number of diagonals in an octagon. So how many diagonals? What is the formula for diagonal? Number of diagonals n into n minus 3 upon 2. So this is equal to octagon. Number of sides is 8. So 8 into 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 2. So my answer is 20. Question number 13. The interior angle of a polygon exceeds its exterior angle by 108 degree. So the number of sides of a polygon. So how many sides the polygon is having? You have to find out. You know that interior plus exterior is equal to 108. Since the interior angle exceeds its exterior angle by 108, let us take the exterior angle to be x. Interior angle will be equal to x plus 108. So if we frame the equation, x plus 108 is equal to 180 degree 2x is equal to 180 minus 108. 2x is equal to 72. X is equal to 36. So exterior angle is 36. So what is the number of sides? You know the formula, 360 degree upon 36, that is n. So which is equal to 60. Sorry, 10. The number of sides is 10 over here. So what is the number of sides of this polygon? I'll explain this question once again. The interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 108. So let us take the exterior angle to be x. Interior angle is x plus 108. Since it is forming the linear pair, x plus 108 equal to 180 degree. On solving we will get x is equal to 36 degree. X is nothing but your exterior angle. So in order to find the number of sides, we know the formula 360 degree upon 36, which is equal to 10. So the number of sides of this polygon is 10. Now question number 14. The sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 1080 degree. You have to find the number of sides of a polygon. So you know the number of sides. The formula is number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon each exterior angle. But we don't know the each exterior angle. So first we have to find each exterior angle over here. So each exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 1080 upon n. On simplification we will be getting n is equal to 8. Therefore now each exterior angle will be equal to, each interior angle will be equal to 1080 upon 8, which is equal to 135 degree. You should understand this question very clearly. We are having the asking to find number of sides. So sides always for having the formula 360 degree upon each exterior angle. So first you have to find each exterior angle. In order to find each exterior angle, I will be subtracting from 180 because you know interior plus exterior is equal to 180. So 180 minus 180 degree upon n will give you the interior angle, which is equal to n is equal to 8. Now I can find each interior angle by 1080 upon 8, which is equal to 135 degree. Coming to the next question. In a regular polygon, each interior angle is thrice the exterior angle. And you have to find the number of sides of a polygon. So again you can make the figure like this. Each interior angle is thrice the exterior angle. So you take the exterior angle as x. Interior angle will become 3x. So you will get x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree, or 4x is equal to 180 degree, or x will be equal to 180 degree upon 4, which is equal to 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. So exterior angle you are getting it as 45 degree. So now number of sides will be equal to 360 degree divided by 45. If you are going to divide this, you will be getting, I think you will be getting 8 times. 8 5s are 40. Yes, you will be getting 8 times. So number of sides will be equal to 8. Now coming to 16th question. The angles of a pentagon are given as x, x plus 20, x plus 40, and one angle is missing. I told x plus 60 and x plus 80. You have to find the greater angle of a pentagon. You know, while adding all the angles of a pentagon, you will be getting x plus 20 plus x plus 40 plus x plus 60 plus x plus 80 should be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So while adding all the angles, I get 5x plus 200 equal to 540. N minus 2 into 180 will give 3 into 180, which is equal to 540. Or 5x is equal to 540 minus 200, which is equal to 340. So while dividing it 5, I will get 68 degree. But I need the largest angle. What is the largest angle? X plus 80. So 68 plus 80 will be equal to 148 degree. Now we can add all the angles. First angle I got it as 68 degree. So you had the difference of 20. So 68 plus 88 plus adding by all the angles, I get 540 degree, which is equal to over here, that is the total angles of a pentagon. So the smallest angle is 68 degree and the largest angle is 148 degree. Now moving on to the 17th question. The maximum interior angle, exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree. Suppose if you take a triangle, so this is the interior angle and this is the exterior angle. So the interior angle is 60 degree in equilateral triangle. This is the minimum interior angle. So if this is 60, what will be this angle? This angle will be equal to 120 degree. So this is the maximum angle and this is the minimum angle. So 18th will be 60 degree. So minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 and the maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree. 19th question. A simple closed curve is made up of line segments called polygon. Next, a closed curve which do not intersect itself is called as a simple closed curve. Hope you understood all the sums clearly.